Hello, it's Grant again with McConnell Chevrolet in Healdsburg, California. Today I'm going to show you a 2011 Chevrolet Extended Cab 2500 heavy duty. It has the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine with the 6-speed Allison transmission. Generates 360 horsepower and about 650 pounds of torque. It's an excellent tow vehicle. Will tow just about anything you need, from a fifth wheel to a huge trailer. This is the LTZ model, so it's well equipped. Leather interior, dual heated power seats. You can see the 20-inch wheels there. Has running boards on it. It's an absolutely beautiful truck. Blue granite metallic is the color. This actually was a General Motors event car. Has about 10 miles on it. They use these at car shows, moved them around the country and would show them, and then when they're done showing them, they retire them and let the dealers buy them. They're basically brand new cars. Walk around it here a little bit. This one does have the navigation. I think I mentioned, the LTZ gives you dual power seats, heated seats, memory seats. I'm going to open up the interior here in a second for you. This is the Z71 package also. Of course, it's four-wheel drive, so it has the heavy-duty shocks, skid plates, so if you ever go off-road, you're not going to do any damage. This car has an MSRP of $57,684. It's on sale for $49,988. Get an idea of the interior here. It's the titanium interior, so it's kind of a light gray. You can see how the back seat folds up there. It's a split seat, so if you ever need lots of storage, you can do that too. 5-passenger seating. But the main thing about this truck is the Duramax diesel and the Allison transmission. Bulletproof powertrain. Will handle any need that you would ever need to do your towing. Anyway, it's available here to take a look at. We're in Healdsburg, and again, it's Grant. And everybody have a great day.